In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a web application firewall on Cloudflare. This process will help you enhance the security of your website by adding an additional layer of protection against malicious traffic. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all the domains you have under your account. This is where you'll start your journey into securing your site. Find the specific domain you want to set up the firewall for. It might take a bit of scrolling if you have multiple domains, but that's perfectly okay. Patience is key here. When you've located your domain, direct your attention to the right side of the page. You'll see three little dots in a vertical line. This is your access point to more options. Go ahead and click on these dots. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting a list of actions you can take. From this list, you're going to want to select Configure Web Application Firewall. This choice will lead you to a new page where the real magic happens. Now, on this new page, you've entered the heart of the firewall configuration process. Here, Cloudflare provides a robust set of tools and settings designed specifically to tailor the security needs for your domain. It's super handy and gives you a lot of flexibility in how you protect your site. First off, you can set up custom rules. These rules allow you to define specific conditions under which traffic is allowed through or blocked. It's a great way to fine-tune who gets access to your site and under what circumstances. Next, you'll notice the option to create rate-limiting rules. This is particularly useful to mitigate the effects of potential denial of service attacks by limiting the number of requests from a single IP address. In addition to custom and rate-limiting rules, you can leverage managed rules. These are pre-configured rules provided by Cloudflare that cover a wide range of known vulnerabilities and attack patterns. They're incredibly powerful because they're maintained by security experts, saving you time and ensuring coverage against common threats. Lastly, explore the tools available. Cloudflare offers several supplementary features that can help you manage and respond to security threats more effectively. Each tool has a specific purpose, so it would be beneficial to review what's available to make the most of your firewall setup. And there you have it. With these settings in place, your web application firewall is up and running, adding that essential layer of security to your domain. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide has helped you safeguard your online presence using Cloudflare's robust security features. Don't hesitate to explore and familiarize yourself